What's going on, everybody? It's Treyding here, and today we traded the strategy on a new ticker. If you've been following along, this is the 9th day of trading a new strategy that I have coded an algorithm for and been algorithmically backtesting. And we've been trading it on SPY for the last 8 days. But actually, NVIDIA has a higher P&L over the last 30 days, over the last 12 months actually, a higher P&L. So we traded it on NVIDIA today, and we used it buying candle under candle for 1 bar, selling candle over candle for just 1 bar back is the strategy today. On a 1-minute chart, as you might be able to imagine, that is a lot of trades, and we traded it almost all day today as well. So there are a ton of trades in today's video. You're going to see the highlights of some of the bigger and better and maybe worse ones in the next few clips. You're going to see live recap trades, and then at the end I will show you what the chart looks like. I can see it on my other monitor. It's crazy looking. I'll show you what the chart looks like. We'll go over the P&L for today. Plug the stats into TraderView as always, so we can see how we're getting along. And yeah, so hopefully you're excited. Hit the like button. Hit the red subscribe button. Let's go. We're about to short NVIDIA here. Are trading NVIDIA instead of SPY today. SPY is getting a nice rally, but trust the strat. Trade as it does. We are now short NVIDIA. I'm short 75 shares in NVIDIA at 226.08. We're immediately up $50. Holy shit, that was really fast. Here you go. Welcome to the extra volatility that NVIDIA provides. We just made $50, $60 like a tick. I'm actually covering half here. I can't help myself but to take some here. That was so big of a move so fast. I honestly can't help myself. I had to cover some there. I know it's waiting for candle under candle to cover. I know, but I can't help myself seeing that much profit that quickly. Very, very nice. Watching now, seeing what the algorithm does with the last 40 shares here. We only exited 35 of our 75, so we're still short 40 shares of NVIDIA. That was actually disrespecting the algorithm a little bit, and I get that, but now the strategy is covering this candle because this candle is breaking under this candle, so the strat is covering this candle. I will cover half again. If it pushes down hard again, I'll cover another half. It is pushing down pretty well. I'm covering another half. We're up $100. One trade, $100. One trade, $100 up. This is what we celebrated yesterday, chat. We stopped trading and started celebrating and drinking beer yesterday after we made $100 in 15 minutes. This is our first trade of the day. And we're 5 minutes into market open. I'm still short 20 shares. I covered 20 more down here. Still short 20 shares. Bar closes in 10 seconds, and the algo will cover the close of the bar. That's pretty much what I'm waiting for at this point. Wow. Wow. Bars closed. Get out, please. Jesus. $95 win. First trade of the day, $95. Welcome to the extra volatility that comes along with NVIDIA. That is insane. Yep, I am short NVIDIA here again at 224.88. We're already up $30 in this trade. 500 today or bust. We could still lose. This could still easily turn around. NVIDIA is very volatile. This could still very easily turn around on us, but right now it's looking really nice. Looking for candle under candle to start covering. So when this starts breaking down this candle, I will start covering. Not happening yet. Trying to be patient, trying to not take profits too quickly. Although I do, as soon as that pushed down, I wanted to take profits, but I'm trying to do as the strategy does, right? Do as the strategy does. There you go. We're starting to break candle under candle. I will start covering here. I know the strategy is covering this candle since we broke candle under. So strategy, I'm out 35 shares. We're still in 40. But we will be covering them now. Get out. Thank you. $130 up. Another quick win there. I'm short NVIDIA here, 223.24. I am short NVIDIA again. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see. I'm zoomed in weirdly. I just shorted NVIDIA again. I'm taking the trades over on my other monitor. The other monitor is like where I'm watching the algorithm and taking the trades. Okay, got squeezed into a little bit. A little bit. Hip hop. No stress though. No stress. We do as the strategy does. We do as the edge does. I would normally read that name, but this is going to be in the YouTube video, so unfortunately I can't read your name out loud. But thanks for the follow. I don't think YouTube would like me reading that name out loud. Thanks for the follow, bro. Over 5,000 followers today over on the Twitch. Insane. If you guys watching the YouTube video aren't already, come follow the Twitch, twitch.tv/trading stocks. You can watch these trades in real time, live. Talk to me in real time, live. Ask me questions about the algorithm in real time, live. All right, SPY is now looking candle under candle. SPY. I keep saying SPY. The strat is now looking candle under candle to start covering. Push down there. Got close for a second. Didn't quite break it down yet. Not quite breaking it down yet. Come on, candle. Come on, candle. Just not quite breaking it down yet, are we? There we go. I'm taking half here. Strategy is covering this candle, so I took half into the initial push. We'll cover rest at close of this bar in 5 seconds. Bar closed in 5 seconds. I'll take the rest then. Bar closed. Strat covered. I cover. I think I might have lost like $7 in that trade. We can see here. I got short 223.24. That cover was at 223. Wow, that's funny. The cover was at the exact same price the first one was. And then this was a little bit higher. So yeah, we lost very small in that trade. You could probably use the like URL. Okay, we are pushing up here. I'm just going to open my starter here. And then this bar closes in 10 seconds where I will take the rest. But I'm in my starter short here, NVIDIA. 35 shares. And short rest now. Full share size short NVIDIA at 222.96. Oh, it does, but you're only limited to 3 months. That's annoying. That's annoying. Yeah, there is other backtesting tools out there. If you don't have access to Thinkorswim, you just gotta... I don't know them myself to look them up. Like NinjaTrader has a good backtesting tool. I know that. I think they code in Python. I think NinjaTrader does. NinjaTrader's tool. And there's other brokerages with other backtesting tools too. Squeezed into. Good. Huh. Huh. What a day, chat. What a day. Really, really strong open. And, I mean, it's not bad yet. We're down $20, but it's kind of just squeezing around here. Can't quite make up its mind what trend it wants to be in right now, can it, NVIDIA? Can't quite make up its mind which direction it wants to go right now. Do you use Unusual Whales ever? I know the website, but not really, no. I don't pay for it, so no. I do have an Unusual Whales NFT. Wanted to help support them, and I wanted to get into NFTs, so I bought an Unusual Whales one. But that being said, I don't really use the website very often, no. Roller coaster of a day so far? Yeah, I can't quite make up its mind. I mean, NVIDIA's just... I don't know. Whatever. Who cares? Do as the strategy does. Who cares? Right? We are now just looking here to cover, which it looks like we're getting close to. Did not quite do it. Did not quite break this low yet. That was totally a long trade. Stop taking losing trades. Tell your algo to stop taking losing trades, trader. Damn, from up 130 to down 50. Welcome to trading larger share size on more volatile stocks. I mean, we did say that NVIDIA was going to be more volatile. We did say that this morning. There will be mornings where it just straight crushes, and it still could today. Like I said, I do think I'm going to trade this like all day today. I do think I'm going to sit. Well, I'm going to run to the gym after I end stream, so there'll be a couple hours there I don't trade. But post that, I'm going to come back and just keep trading this. We'll see what happens today. SPY is very choppy. Not a good spot to trade now. Not true. But okay, you're right. Once again, every time I lose money, it wasn't a good trade. I know, I get it. Every time somebody loses money on camera, it was a bad trade. I know, I understand. I understand. Why does the algorithm only want to short? Because we are below the 350 SMA. Once we get above the 350 SMA, if we get above the 350 SMA, the algo will start looking for longs. Did you start checking other brokerages in order to avoid TOS slippage? Nah, not yet. Not yet. And it actually hasn't been too bad today. Big respect, win or lose, going live, bro. There's only winning. This strategy only wins. Doesn't mean that, and saying that, this is what beginner traders, and I think people in general fail to understand. I mean, this strategy is a winning edge in the market. Doesn't mean I win every day. Doesn't mean I win every trade. Fuck no. You're never going to win every day, win every trade. Never, ever, 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 ever will you win every day, win every trade. But I'm trading a profitable strategy. So I'm winning, right? Over time, I'm winning. That's what, and people struggle so hard with that. People struggle so hard with that. Anytime anybody loses anything, it's like, oh my God, that was the worst. Like, win every day, Trey, you can do it. We are 8 days in a row green. Maybe we're due one. Maybe we're due one. We're due a red day. Is that how it works? Gambler's fallacy? That's like reverse gambler's fallacy. Reverse gambler's fallacy. We're due a loss. We're due a loss. Damn, son, from 130 down, or from 130 up to 130 down. $260 red swing in these trades. NVIDIA is just once again squeezing me, just once again. Nothing I can do about it. I mean, Trey, you could have got out. I get it. But according to the strategy that has the edge, there's nothing I can do about it right now. I will exit when I'm supposed to exit. How close are we to looking for longs? Still, we're still a little bit ways away to looking for longs. Still short bias. The algo will still be short bias for 4 more points. I think that was. You all crack me up. Shares of Tesla now popping over $840. Is that what Charlie said? Wow, yeah. It's really popping, Charlie. It's only down 2.17% on the day now. It's really popping, I'll tell you that much. Can you add a stop loss to the algo? Sure, you can. I've never found one that adds profitability, though. I have yet, and once again, we are, what, this is our 9th day using the algorithm. It's very young. We definitely could still, and are continuing to try to improve it, right? But I have not yet been able to find a stop loss that adds profitability. Every stop loss I add so far, it's just made it way worse. So yeah, I mean, we're still looking at those kind of things for sure, and we will. You should always be optimizing. I will always be optimizing this algorithm, right? But so far, I just haven't found one. And once again, this is the beauty of coding. The beauty of code testing. Oh, it's going to start exiting here, so I'm out 35 shares. We are now getting candle under candle. But that's the beauty of code testing, is you can test things like that really easily. I can add a stop loss, see what it does to the P&L, see what it does to the statistics. I can change it, remove it, throw it around. I can tell you exactly how it's affecting the strategy immediately. The beauty of this code algo backtesting stuff. Okay, we're breaking down a little bit here. Candle closing in 30 seconds. I'm taking another half here into this push. So we're now only short 20 shares. Is there a specific improvement from the original algo that made a big difference? I mean, just variable changing. There's not really like one thing that's been like, oh my god, it's so much better now. You know what I mean? It's not really been like one thing like that. All right, we're full out of this trade now. Okay, I'm short half my position here, and I need to get ready to short the other because this bar is about to close. It did. Okay, I am short NVIDIA again here at 223.68. Shorting candle over candle. Liquidity dries up in the first 2 hours. The fills can get sketchy. Yeah. Are you being sure? I don't know. Are you? I mean, I know you're trading SPY options, but are you being sure to? By the way, gonna start covering here. The algo wants to start covering this candle because it's breaking down really nicely. We're only 30 seconds to the candle. I've covered 35 of my shares. Watching this breakdown here. Really, really nice. 20 seconds left in the candle. That's when the algo will be exiting. I would like to hold these last 40 until then, although I'm kind of want to take more here. I'm actually going to take another half here. So now I'm only in 20 shares short. Just, ooh, such a nice, wow. What a nice breakdown that is. Wow. I'm full out here. Yep. Out. Strategy is out. I'm out. That was a nice trade. $40 win right there. Okay, I'll take it now. I'll take it now. I actually got a much better entrance than the strategy did there. The strategy opened, or short of the open of that candle. So I got short 40 cents or 30 cents better than the strategy did that time. I didn't like how low it was to take the short right there. But once I got the bounce, I just took the short. Okay, if it breaks down this candle under candle, obviously you guys know what it's looking for. Candle under candle. Damn, got close. Do you choose if I want to short or long, or does the algo choose? The algo has both long and short code in it. So it automatically, if NVIDIA could get above this 350 SMA, it'll start triggering the short code of the, or sorry, it'll start taking the long code of the algorithm. It'll start looking for longs. Does it all automatically. Okay, we're small green in this. Yep, there's the candle under candle breakdown, so I'm out half into that. I'm out half into the candle under candle. Wow. Glad I took half there. It immediately ramps back up. Hello, good morning. What's going on? Good morning. I don't know what I'm saying. Come on, break it on down here. 30 seconds left in this bar. The algo is shorting or covering the rest at close, so I will cover the rest at close in 30 seconds. Wow, what a candle. Hello, volatility? Can't make up its damn mind what it wants to do. I'm glad I covered half where I did. I think I'm going to probably greatly outperform the algorithm in this trade. Because I got such a better entrance and I'm going to get a better exit. Yeah, did outperform the algorithm in that trade. All right, what was that? That was like a $17 or like a $15 win. He wasn't ready. Okay, I am short NVIDIA here, 224.7. We are short. Looking for candle under candle breakdown to cover, as you all know by now. Gotta see SPY too. Yeah. But that's what I'm looking at on my other monitors, the screen I just showed you. Come on down, NVIDIA. Come on down, buddy. I almost said SPY. I'm so used to trading SPY. How do you get that to track in the study? What do you mean? You add the strategy to your chart, just like you add a study. What do you mean? Like, how do you get the strategy to show up on your chart like that? You add it. Just go to Edit Studies and then click on the Strategies tab. Find your strategy and add it, just like you add a study. I'm a green boy. Go on, Jake. Go on, Jake. I'm not yet. We're clawing our way back. Clawing our way back. Although once again, this, well, we'll see. Could be the trade that squeezes us again. We'll see. Anything can happen. Just about break even right now. Actually, we are literally break even right now. SPY's breaking down. Come on, NVIDIA. Yeah, watching SPY kind of helps me determine how quickly I want to get in and out of my NVIDIA trade. Manually. Damn, didn't quite break candle under candle there. Come on, NVIDIA. Need a breakdown here. Oh, now it did. Okay, out 75 or 35 here. The strategy is about to exit full. Strategy is full out. I'm actually waiting for a little bit more of a breakdown here. Look at SPY breaking lows. Outperform the outperform the algorithm. That was a little scary. That was all of a sudden not the algorithm and me making decisions. That was scary. I didn't like that. But yeah, the algo got out of the close of that candle. I let it push for another like 5 seconds because I could see SPY breaking down. So that was me. That was me making a little bit of extra profit there. We are green. Woo! Alrighty, so in those live trades, you got to watch a whirlwind. I went up over $130 very quickly to being down over $120 and then getting back to green, I think roughly $30 around the end there. So it was a fun, whatever. It was a morning of up and down trading roller coaster on the P&L, and that's kind of the theme of the day. I'm going to drag over my chart now and show you the trades that I took today. I'll just do it now. Yeah. I know. There's a lot of trades. These are obviously the trades I took this morning. You guys obviously didn't see all of these, just the ones that kind of had just kind of the big winners and the big losers I showed you from this morning session. Unfortunately, this is where I went to the gym. Wasn't trading, and then I came back and I traded this afternoon session as well. And you can see P&L on the day, we are down $33. This is the first red day since we've started using this strategy. Red $33. It is what it is. It was an absolutely insane day of trading, though. Obviously, the market or the strategy was trying to short this entire move until it crossed its 350. That's what I have the algorithm set to switch to right now. Until it crossed the 350 SMA, it was trying to short this whole move, so that wasn't going well for me. And then once it got over this, it started longing, so we actually made some of that money back. We were actually down over $100 again during this upswing here when the strategy kept trying to short. I don't know if this one bar variable is going to be it. One thing is it's a ton of trades. As you can see, it's a ton of trades. And another thing is, look at the algorithm. The algorithm is showing up $279 today. The way I currently have my algorithm coded is that see if I can find a quick example here. So right here, it's coded to take the high of the bar and the close of the bar and go subtract that and multiply it by 0.3 to kind of get an estimate of where a human would be selling into this push. Now that isn't great for an algorithm, right? That adds things that are a little bit out of control. Let's put it this way, that adds decision making, right? And you're not always going to be getting the best exit. So I think that the one bar back gives you a better P&L over 30 days. I mean, we can quickly go look at the 30-day P&L on this. It gives you a really good P&L over 30 days because it gets, obviously, when it takes a ton of trades, it's always getting those kind of better exits than you might be able to get sometimes. So it's taking more advantage of that. That's something I'm going to fix, or I'm trying to fix in the code tonight, is to actually code in real ways to exit the trade rather than just when it's over the bar. Like I can try to code things. We'll walk through it tomorrow where I get to, instead of just the guesstimating kind of thing, because that is giving the strategy a bit of an advantage. We'll go back to one day. As you saw, the strategy is pretty green. This is not just today. The strategy was quite green today, though, and obviously it was a really tough day out there. I mean, I'm only down 33. I'm not down big or anything, but I'm certainly not like this. And I said unfortunately earlier, because the strategy actually made most of its money today. during this push right here, shorting into this push right here, which is the only part of the day that I wasn't trading it while I was at the gym. So that's maybe a little unfortunate. You can see the P&L here, but it is what it is. I'm still going to go to the gym. One day we'll get this automated, maybe. That's a future goal. But anyway, enough ranting. Let's flip over to the trader view, show you the stats. As you can see, first red day of the strategy. This is the 9th day using the strategy. It's our first red day. That's not too bad. And as you can see, it's $33. We made $106 yesterday, and we average well over 50 a day. So it's not a bad day at all. Little downtick in the graph. Look at the daily volume traded today versus the other 8 days. I'm not so sure this one bar thing is going to be the move moving forward, but that's why we do this, right? That's why we track our trades in Trader View. That's why forward testing is very, very, I mean, we talk about how important back testing is, defining your edge, creating your strategy. What we're doing now is called forward testing, and this is a good example of what we learned from forward testing. I don't know if this one bar play is really going to be the thing. We can go to the detailed look quickly. We've now taken 87 trades. I think before today, can I see number of trades taken today? Trade distribution by day of week. Thursday is up to 45 now, and that does count the ones from last Thursday as well, but still, you can see there's a ton of trades taken today. Still at a 74% win rate, average loser 40, average winner 19. That will continue to tighten up. It's obviously at a 74% just about win rate. It's obviously still profitable. So there is that. There's some of these statistics. I wanted to show you one more thing. I actually am not 100% sure how to find it. Is it in Journal? Oh, it is in Journal. Oh, the market's just closed. You got the closing bell there in the video. Sorry, this video is supposed to go up at closing bell, but since I've been trading so much, it obviously wasn't. I was going to show you guys the P&L picture, but it's not populated yet. Maybe tomorrow, if I remember, I'll show you today's P&L picture. It shows you kind of what your P&L looked like on the day, because today's is absolutely insane. So if I remember, I'll show you all that tomorrow. But yep, that's the trades today. It was a ton of them. I'm not fully sure about this one bar pattern thing. It was the first red day, but $33 down, whatever. It's not too shabby. Ton of trades taken though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the live day trade recap. Hopefully you enjoy getting to see the forward testing as well, getting to see the report, seeing what is really going on behind my trade, seeing the statistics. Hopefully you guys are all enjoying, and we will continue to post them here for free on this YouTube channel. So if you did, please hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.